looking that way now? What is that?
She is really trying to focus on something.
Hey, honey. Baby girl. Oh, that one's up in the air. Hey, honey.
Say hi.
Jackson, you see your sister?
Is that your baby in there? It's kind of got weird there. How old is he?
20 months.
We're going to be so busy.
Yes.
Are you going to help your mommy with your sister?
We're working on it.
Hi. Just cleaning your sister's room.
You want to suck on your binky?
Look, face. No.
Okay, fine.
Oh, there's a sneeze.
Oh, I can't take him.
Oh, don't mean me sneezes.
You didn't
I
grab
can get
straws.
you one.
You got one?
Yeah.
That would be great.
I'll bring them in.
Do you want a sandwich?
Got chocolate milk? Oh, no, you got the baby, huh? Where's the baby? Right there. Yeah. Is that Abigail? Is that Abigail?
Can you say Abby?
It's a bed.
Jackson,
Good mama.
is that your sister?
She's
Oh.
pulling on her cannula.
Wait till he gets where he can fold.
She'll get really mad when I make her hand move. Come here.
Picture we have of Justin holding Eric.
Come here.
Yeah.
You gotta do one of those.
Thank
with
you.
Jackson and Abby.
Justin,
You
you
eating
either have to
your
let Grandpa
hand?
hold you or you need to get in.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh.
Go sit down over there on the couch.
What do you see? Do you see Mama's hand? Oh,